I'm gonna wire this Maxxair Fan Model number 6200K. Got these 16 gauge wires that I'll be splicing into this 14 gauge wire. And I'm gonna plug it into my Ecoflow Delta power supply using the DC 5521 port on there. Here's a little sneak peek at the camper build out. Pretty basic. So that's the bed platform retracted. I have a little crib size mattress, bed for the kids. Then I'm gonna get a cushion for that, but that's supposed to be a bench. And then, so fridge is gonna go right there. I have a Iceco, I think it's a, what was it, a 50 quart Iceco. Put it right there, and then plan to have the Ecoflow down there. So I'm gonna run the wires up to something like that, and then down here, down there, and then across that ledge and down there. All right, let's see how it turns out. All right, I got these butt splices crimped up. Now I'm gonna use a heat gun to shrink it. Alright, gonna have another one down real quick, not burning anything. Then I'll do this. I have this heat shrink tube. I'll just slip over this. Just gonna do this with one hand. Come on, there we go. Sorry for the shakiness. Shit. There we go. Too far. Probably cut this part out. All right, let's shrink up this other one now. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Butt splices, heat shrunk, and then a heat shrink tubing over that too. All right, now wire up the connector. Now I need to see which wire is positive and negative for this DC 5521 connector. So I'm going to plug it into this Ecoflow, then use this multimeter to measure the polarity. So power supply is on, plug this in, turn the DC on. Now I want direct, since we're doing DC, obviously, so trying to prop this up for everyone to see. Don't have a good way to hold it up though, but come on, there we go. So I'm gonna guess the red is positive and black and red is negative, but we'll see. So we're at 12 volts there. Let's switch them just to verify. Negative 12. So yeah, red is positive, black and red is negative. I have these wires taped up now, which honestly isn't my favorite way of doing this. I have a loop right there for clearance for when the sides fold down. I used white tape for the white panels and then the black tape for down here, just to blend in a little more. But maybe I'll get some wire channel or something else in the future. But yeah, just have it all running down there and then down below. And then here it is. So I did butt splices there too with the heat shrink tubing over the butt splices. And here's the Ecoflow. So let's turn this on. It's at 12% right now because I did a fridge test with that IceCo. See how long it would run on this. Went from 100% to 12% in about 2.5 days inside the house, which ambient temperature is 72, but that's okay because I'm going to run solar here anyways. So I'll turn that on. All right, let's see if it works. All right, we got power. All right, that's blowing out. Let's stop it. Let's spin the direction here. Change the direction. Wait for it to stop. I'm not sure if it has to be on when you do that. Let's see. There it goes. So now it's blowing in. Different settings. Let's go minimum. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what the power draw is at the highest. 32 watts. Drop it down to 8, see what it pulls. 19 watts. 7, 6, 5. 5, it's pulling 9 watts. Wow. So on level 10 it's pulling 32 watts. Now it's only pulling 9 watts at half that. So cool, we got a fan now.